Hi guys. Today, we are going to discuss how to craft an unforgettable college essay. So here are the contents that will be discussed today. Scared about writing a college essay? Don't worry because we got you covered. College essays are important because they represent 25% of your overall application. They provide an opportunity to the students to personalize their college applications beyond grades and extracurricular activities. So what kind of challenges are faced by students in writing college essays? Lack of self-confidence, students do not believe in their skills and capabilities. Lack of knowledge, students do not have any background information. Poor writing skills, they make grammatical and sentence structure mistakes. Plagiarized content, they copy from the published material. Becoming stuck. Students often become stuck if they have too much information available. How to write a unique college essay and make it stand out as the most important document about you in your college application. Picking a character trait, highlight the positive character traits. Using suitable vocabulary, don't use difficult words that are not used in daily life. Normal vocabulary should be used. Being yourself, be honest and truthful about yourself. Don't portray yourself a person whom you are not. Overcoming challenges of writing college essay. What kind of problems are usually faced by the students? Lack of inspiration. Grammatical mistakes and sentence structure. Insufficient knowledge. Let's discuss some solutions to these problems. Research over the internet and read similar essays. Grammatical mistakes and sentence structure, practice and write several drafts. Insufficient knowledge, make effort by doing extra research. Well, thank you so much for listening to us and we feel proud that you took us the time to listen to us. See you in next video.